In today's video, you will learn how to connect Contact Form 7 to your email marketing software and CRMs using FuseWP. All right, to begin, I'll note that I have Contact Form 7 installed already. So if we were to go to the left-hand side and click on Contact, that will open up Contact Form 7. And here we can see that I have a form, and it's the default contact form that you get when you install the plugin, and I have embedded it in this page. So this is what we're going to be using for our demonstration. Now here I'm going to go back to FuseWP on the left-hand side. I'll hover and click on Settings. And in Settings, I'm just going to scroll down and show you that this is where you would go ahead and set up your integration. I have 3 different ones configured, but I'm going to be using MailerLite for this example. On the left-hand side, I'll go to User Sync. And here I'm going to click on Add Sync Rule. Let's select a source. It's going to be Contact Form 7. And our source item will be the Contact Form 1. And next, we'll add a destination. Our event will be after form submission. And our integration again is going to be MailerLite. We'll select a group and we'll use feedback, which is basically a list inside of MailerLite. Now, once we have that, we can go ahead and map our custom fields. And first, we can select a data field from Contact Form 7 or WordPress user data. And we have our data type next, which we can select from this list, then our MailerLite field. So moving back, we're going to go to data and then select our email field. Don't get this confused with the WordPress user data email address field. And we'll keep the default settings for the rest. Moving on to our name field, we'll use the drop down and we'll just use your name. We don't need a last name, so we can just go ahead and remove this field. You can also click on this button if you ever need to map a custom field. We can always double check our contact form to see if we don't need the last name field. No, we don't. So we'll move on. I think our settings so far looks good. And if you want to, you can always go ahead and add an additional destination, but we'll skip this. And we'll go ahead and save our settings. Once our settings are saved, we can now go ahead and test out our contact form. So I'll enter some random information here and click on Submit. And as soon as I see the success message, I can go ahead and check out MailerLite to see if our lead was captured. So in MailerLite, I'm going to go to Subscribers. And once we're in Subscribers, we can go to the Groups tab. Then we'll go to Feedback and see our contact. All right, so this is how you connect Contact Form 7 to your email marketing software and CRMs. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.